Well, alright. Here we are. This is going to be day one of our, we'll call it extraction series or video. We'll see if I do this in one part or two. Might just string a whole bunch of video together, but I found a way. Actually, I was told by the farmer a way to get to where the car is that's not where his wheat fields are. So I'm in a bunch of weeds here, and I was just told to be very careful driving in here, that there's some boards with nails and stuff. But later in, I came in yesterday, had a quick look, see how accessible it was, and then this morning, of course, I went out to the truck and had one flat tire. So I did notice yesterday when I was leaving that there was a 2x4 down with some nails sticking out. I picked it up, threw it in the box of my truck, and you know what? Today on my way in, I brought a different truck. I brought the diesel in today. I come in and I hear bang as I run something over. I thought I got all the wood. Yesterday is another length of 2x4 this long with a couple nails in it. I don't think I got a nail in the tire of that one that time, but I guess we'll soon find out. And this is where this beauty is hiding. So be careful. It's sunk actually so far into the ground that I actually can't tell. I gotta pull a bunch of these branches and stuff away. Weeds and crap, raspberries. Actually can't tell if the car has any tires on it or not. Which is I think it does. They're flat. The grill's missing. The hood ornaments are missing off the side here. The mirrors are missing. It's in about the shape you would expect a car to be in, that is sat in a farmer's field for 40 years. I don't know exactly how long this has been here, but here's a quick tour. Okay. It's got the park reverse neutral drive low, so it's an automatic. It's not a 3 on the tree. Looks to be sitting in gear. We don't even know if there's transmission in there, so look at this back window, it's crazy. Hey, so 1 year only. Apparently Ford had these back windows. So Ford, Meteor, Mercury, Edsel, very similar car. So, and looks like someone's pulled on that bumper before. There's a hitch on there, but I don't know. I've brought a shovel and all kinds of stuff. Really today I just came to assess this situation here a little bit further and maybe get a little bit of a go on this. So I'm gonna get to work on her. Should have brought shears. I meant to grab them. Remember, they're right in a not even any tires in there. No wheels even on this car. Find out what kind of tires it needs. Hopefully I have some rims that'll go on this. There is not. This car is legit just sitting here on its frame. That's not good. Falling apart. Now I have to come in here with a mini excavator. Get this out. That's going to be the only way. You're not going to dig this out with a shovel. But yeah. Right. She got a motor. It's definitely got an engine in it. Let's go have a look. Oh, I have no tires on it. Makes it a real adventure to get it out of here. So yeah, here we go. There's no coil wire on there, but she's a big V8. It's pretty wide. I wonder if that is the 352. So you're gonna have to find a tag. Let's see if we can find a tag. Oh, the mosquitoes are starting to get me here. So we got a fender tag on these. Tag on the flywheel. There's a tag right there. Alright. So I did find a breakdown of what engines these cars had. Alright. Ooh, widow spider. Meter core hoses are pulled out. They all say 27.1F. Okay, I need to get out of these bugs today. Right this minute. Because they are getting me some fierce. Okay. Oh. Okay. So that's gonna end that for this part today, because I didn't bring bug spray, and we also have to go and vote. So here we go. We're gonna leave this here and gather up my stuff. We gotta get out of here for the bugs. Oh man, they're getting me good. They are getting me good. Ah. Let's get out of here, folks. Whew. Tell you, she's not very level ground in here. But oh my God, mosquitoes have got me good. This is where the 2x4 was, but now it's gone because both pieces are in the back of my truck. Yeah, she's a doozy. There we go. What do we got? We got someone's dog. Oh, it's the neighbor's dog running down the road. I forgot this dog's name, but super friendly. I wouldn't have my dogs on the road. Well, that's it for that adventure today. I don't know about you, but that was the worst swarm of mosquitoes I've ever been in my entire life. And I didn't have any bug repellent with me, but there's not much I can do in that situation right now, right today. I'm gonna have to look up what the bolt pattern size is on that wagon there, and see if I have any wheels here, wheels and tires that'll actually go on there, at least 2, because then I could bring the tow truck down, right, put 2 wheels on the front, lift up the back, and tow it home. In theory, sounds good. Hopefully the front wheels even turn, because that thing's just sitting there on its brake drums. I guess brakes exposed. There's ant hills piled up next in the wheel wells. So at this point I gotta research what engine's even in there. I don't know. That's either the 233 or the 352, or no, not a 233. Wait a minute, a 332 or a 352 is the one of the 2 engines. So I'll look into that. I should have brought a wrench to see if that engine's even freed up. It's probably seized solid, right? So we don't know for sure. But you guys go ahead and let me know in the comments there from what you saw today. Should I bring that thing home and, you know, pick it apart for parts for people that may have one such a limited run of a car? That it would be a shame for all of it to go to the crusher. I know it's not going to go to the crusher anytime soon, but if I don't get it out of there, I don't think any other idiot's going to pull it out of there, right? Because I'm the guy that's just good, just dumb enough to pull it out of there if I can. Anyways, guys, go ahead, like and subscribe. Let me know down in the comments, you think that thing's worth pulling out of there? Should we just leave her be to become one with the earth again? Anyways, have a great day. Thanks for coming along.